doing a very quick look. Skin routine is done, moisturized enough, going in with my Studio Fix powder plus foundation. I know there's a new formula that's come out. I have to go and match my shade for it, but till then I'm going to let this get over. And this is the PAC 261 brush. Take any dark brown eyeshadow. This is Embark by MAC. This is the PAC 207 brush, and I'm going to just do this. This is one of my favorite neutral eyeshadows. This is called Texture by MAC. Get any shade that is similar, doesn't have to be the same brand. And this is the MAC 217S brush, just to contour my upper eyelid, which I usually do before and I forgot. So I don't have too long. This is really quick. I would say quick grooming makeup. But see, the contouring of the upper eyelid makes a big difference. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Eyebrow Setting Gel to keep my eyebrows in place. Little kajal on the outer waterline. Use any black kajal of your choice. This is the Aqua Resist Color Pencil in black by Makeup Forever. Time for mascara. This is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara. As I say, use products of your choice. Just follow the technique. My nude lip liner I use as a base. This is Hype by K-Beauty. I'm going to do a red lipstick. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Chestnut. I'm going to put a red on top of this so that it doesn't look brown, the lining. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Cherry. MAC lipstick, Russian Red. Dab off the first layer, apply one more time. This is Sun Kissed Pink by Nude Sticks. I always need a blush. I love my blushes. Touching up my powder foundation. I love to add a bindi with any kind of an Indian look. I'm just wearing a basic black kurta. Okay, good to go. Hope you like it. This is the quick kind of easy makeup that I usually do. I don't know if my bindi is crooked. Usually it is, but I'll have someone fix it for me because I can't understand at times. Give this look a try. Use a different color and you can do this at work as well. You can also go to work in a red lipstick. Your life, your choice. Till then, take care and stay glam.